In this video, we're going to factor a quadratic that's in standard form using the product sum method. So the first thing we need is a quadratic, and here we have x squared plus 9x plus 20. Now you'll notice that this quadratic is actually in standard form. That is, it follows the general form ax squared plus bx plus c. Now you'll notice that the b and the c are accounted for, but the a doesn't seem to have a value in front of the x squared. And when this happens, it's actually an invisible 1, so you don't notice it. However, when a is 1, often you'll be able to use something called the product sum method. And what this means is that the factors will add up to b and they'll multiply out to c. So in this case, you can see that b is 9 and c is 20. So I'm looking for two numbers, the same two numbers that multiply to give me 20 and they add to give me 9. So the easiest way to do this is to take the factors of the c value. In this case, it's 20. Now for these factors, we might as well start with 1 and 20. Now 1 and 20 multiply to 20, but they don't add to 9, so this can't be right. What about the next set, 2 and 10? Well, again, they multiply to 20, but they don't add to 9, so these aren't the right numbers. 3 doesn't go into 20 evenly, so my next option is going to be 4 and 5. Well, 4 and 5 actually add up to 9, and they multiply to 20, so these would be my two factors. And now the nice part is when the a value is 1, it'll always factor to have an x plus or minus the two numbers that I found. And in this case, the numbers I found were 4 and 5, and so all I'm going to do is plug them into these brackets, and that's my solution. X squared plus 9x plus 20 will factor to x plus 4 times x plus 5.